shine and sparkle. It's magic just for you.
Play your music, play it loud. Come on friends, let's sing out loud. With the rhythm we go dancing. Come and join us now.
Eddie the elephant, big and proud. He runs through the jungle fast and loud. He finds a star that shines so bright. Then comes an echidna, quick as light. Lurry, say it with glee. E for elephant, energy and me. Jump, wiggle, giggle around. Let's make the letter E the happiest sound. The star twinkles high above the trees. Eddie marches with bouncy knees. The echidna rolls like a little ball. Together they dance and have a ball. Or E, now shout it loud. E is for excitement. We're feeling proud. Dance and spin, clap to the beat. E is the letter that moves our feet. Let's all say it like Eddie does. Let's shine like stars and buzz, buzz, buzz. N E to G is everywhere, just look and see.